I drawed stairs with a ramp and only one man who likes fire, a post to go in. And he has to go up the stairs and get in because he's fire.
Oh yeah, where's the fire?
He is the fire.
Yeah.
He transforms into fire. Because
What is that yellow?
no fire means these are the lights.
Oh yeah.
So I can see better.
Okay. So what is that thing right there?
A ramp. And
That's
do you
a
know what
ramp?
else it is?
What is this?
This is the stairs.
Oh yeah. And that?
It's a door.
That?
And the guy always goes in for fire.
Okay.
And when the guy reaches for it,
What else?
that's the fire kit of his. That's his fire kit. That's his fire kit.
Okay.
So, that's all I drawed. I love my mom